To remove and replace the battery on your Indian Challenger, follow these steps. Park the motorcycle on a flat, level surface. Ensure the bike is powered off. Remove the 2 chin fairing fasteners. Then remove the chin fairing. Remove the battery bracket fastener. Then rotate the bracket out and pull back to remove. Start by disconnecting the negative battery cable first to prevent arcing. Position the cable out of the way. Remove the positive cable protector boot from the positive battery cable and disconnect the cable from the terminal. Position the cable out of the way. Reinstalling the fasteners onto the posts will help prevent misplacement. Slide the battery out from the battery box to remove. Pushing up from underneath the bracket will help guide the battery out. If reinstalling the battery, ensure it is fully charged and free of any debris or damage. Follow the instructions in the battery charging section of your owner's manual before installing the battery. Thoroughly clean the battery box and inspect for damage. Ensure the pad is properly located and in good condition. Carefully install the battery into the battery box while lifting up from underneath the bracket to help guide it into place. Connect the positive battery terminal first to prevent arcing, and torque the fastener to specification. Then connect the negative battery terminal and torque the fastener to specification. Apply a light film of dielectric grease or petroleum jelly to both terminals. Verify the cables are secure and properly routed. Turn the bike on to verify the battery has been connected properly. Reinstall the battery bracket, ensuring the retention tab is fully engaged. Reinstall the bracket fastener and torque to specification. Next, reinstall the chin fairing, ensuring the tabs are aligned on the bottom. Reinstall the fasteners and torque to specification. For more information, contact your authorized Indian motorcycle dealer or visit indianmotorcycle.com.